Hey guys, it's Banana. So apparently there's a new update in City. There's 2 new badges. They're supposed to be free. And I'm really excited to get the VR one because that's my favorite. But yeah, so let's go into City. Yo, there's a slingshot. The VR. So I see this the badge free, but the VR isn't free. No, don't really want any shirts over here. Ooh, that's cool. I'll try that. 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 Guess what? I'm gonna try this and that. Yeah, I'll try all those. And then. Oh, well, we don't need to do that one. Lego! Alright, first the slingshot. Oh my god, I would hate having that on my chest. Oh! 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 Sorry, I spit on you. Alright, let's try the VR. Oh, never mind. I don't. So you. Oh, okay. How do I get it off? Oh crap! Help me! Help me! I can look under my VR. Help me! No, I really can't. I'm just pressing all the button. Oh, get off me, please. I got it! I did it! I hate that. Right, the badge. Okay. Yes. Okay. You already saw this because I was fiddling around and trying to get that off. Are you serious? I love that, but I hate it at the same time. Oh! Bah! 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 Then we got that Feeny. Okay, nope. Got Chile. Oh, what the? Huh? What? So he's saying. That's crazy. Wait, this one. That's lame. This one. Oh, can I drink from it? Very nice. And this. What is this? Is it a fan? Is it like a fan? Oh! Guys, I'm so hot. And the last one. What's it? What the hell? I love this. Okay, we gotta get that. Okay, I'll get it after the video. Gotta go buy some shiny rocks so you guys don't see my thing. Oh my god, this is so cool. Alright, well that's it. See ya.